Welcome. This tutorial is about task pane in Microsoft Office FrontPage 2003. It is very important part of Microsoft Office FrontPage 2003 interface. On the right side of the page, there is a task pane. If you don't find it, go to the View menu. You can see the task pane option. The shortcut key for task pane is Ctrl plus F1. The task pane is designed to give you access to lot of different features about Microsoft FrontPage. By default, Getting Started task pane is available. By clicking here, you can get the other task pane options. For example, if you want to have Help task pane, click on Help option. This is a navigation options used to go back, forward and home. This Getting Started options gives you many options like connect to Microsoft Office online, gives latest news about using FrontPage and etc. You can also search here for some data. From here, you can open the existing websites, pages, or you can create a new page or site. You can move the task pane anywhere on the screen by clicking on this dotted line.